China accuses U.S. of secret role in $4 billion Bitcoin hack. What's really going on? Bitcoin, China, crypto hack, USA. Cross-border Bitcoin disputes over a $4 billion hack intensify crypto tensions between the world's top economies. Journalist, Hassan Shittu. Journalist, Hassan Shittu. About author, Hassan, a cryptonews.com journalist with 6+ years of experience in Web3 journalism, brings deep knowledge across crypto, Web3 gaming, NFTs, and play-to-earn sectors. His work has appeared in Author Profile, Share, Copied, last updated 1 hour ago. China has accused the United States of covert involvement in what is now considered one of the largest Bitcoin thefts in history. A $4 billion hack dating back to 2020 that has evolved into a geopolitical dispute over digital assets. The controversy centers on the LuBian mining pool, a China-based Bitcoin collective that suffered a major breach on December 29, 2020, losing 127,272 BTC, then valued at roughly $3.5 billion. The coins, owned by Chun Ji of Cambodia's Prince Group, remained dormant for nearly 4 years until the U.S. Department of Justice, DOJ, announced in October 2025 that it had seized 127,000 BTC and charged Chun. Did Washington crack the LuBian hack? Blockchain forensics hint at a hidden operation. Chinese commentators and blockchain analysts argue that the seized Bitcoin may be the same as the LuBian funds, implying American authorities could have accessed them years earlier through a covert operation. Blockchain forensics from Arkham Intelligence and Elliptic show that wallet addresses in the DOJ's indictment match those linked to the 2020 LuBian hack. On-chain records indicate that on the day of the attack, LuBian's main wallet transferred 127,272 BTC to an unknown address, nearly the same amount later seized by U.S. officials. The 2020 breach exploited a flaw in LuBian's 32-bit pseudo-random key generator, similar to the milk-sad cryptographic flaw revealed in 2023. The defect made it possible for attackers to brute force thousands of wallet keys within hours, draining more than 90% of LuBian's holdings. For years, the stolen Bitcoin remained unmoved. LuBian and Chun Ji sent over 1,500 messages via Bitcoin's open_return function in 2021 and 2022, pleading with the hackers to return the assets and offering a ransom. No response was ever received. In June 2024, blockchain trackers observed renewed movement from the dormant wallets. About 127,000 BTC were transferred to new addresses, later tagged by Arkham as belonging to the U.S. government. The DOJ's announcement of the seizure came months later, a sequence that Chinese observers say raises questions about when and how the U.S. obtained access to the private keys. The DOJ has not disclosed its technical methods, but claims the assets were linked to illicit operations and laundered through mining networks operating in China and Iran. However, on-chain data reviewed by analysts suggests the funds originated directly from LuBian's compromised wallets. Dormant LuBian wallets move $3.1 billion in Bitcoin amid U.S. enforcement pressure. Adding to the confusion, LuBian-linked wallets have shown new activity since the DOJ's announcement. On October 15, blockchain monitoring firm LuConchain reported that a long-dormant address moved 11,886 BTC, about $1.3 billion, to several new wallets. A week later, on October 22, another 15,959 BTC, worth $1.83 billion, was transferred to 4 additional wallets, according to On-Chain Lens. Analysts debate whether the transfers are defensive moves or reallocations ahead of potential liquidation. All related wallets remain sanctioned, and Chun Ji's whereabouts are currently unknown. The LuBian case has become a cautionary tale for DeFi and crypto infrastructure security, and the hack has become a reference point for crypto's early security failures. The incident shows the dangers of weak random number generation, also affecting firms like Wintermute, which lost $160 million in 2022 due to similar vulnerabilities. Meanwhile, both the US and the UK have been involved in separate large-scale Bitcoin seizures tied to Chinese-linked operations. In a parallel case, British authorities are managing a £5 billion, $7.2 billion, Bitcoin trove confiscated in 2018 from Chinese fraud suspects. The UK High Court is currently deciding whether to return the funds to 130,000 Chinese investors or retain most of the proceeds for the government. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. Crypto market prospect. After the washout, the soil looks richer. Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference. Real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders. XRP price prediction. Post-swell volatility. Traders watch for confirmation of the XRP death cross and next move. XRP boss says Fed plans could be game changer. For Ripple, why is crypto down today? November 11, 2025. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. 20-day countdown begins. Could the first XRP ETF send prices to $1,000? 1 day ago. By Alejandro Arich. Press releases. As XRP price continues to struggle, new payment solution enters the scene. Price analysis. Bitcoin price prediction. Rich Dad Poor Dad author goes all in on Bitcoin and gold, says massive riches ahead. 10 hours ago. By Arslan Butt. Best crypto to buy now in November 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 5 days ago. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 1 day ago. By Inesis Tavares. 12 best crypto presales to invest in for November 2025. 7 hours ago. By Alan Draper. 12 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in November 2025. 10 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 13 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 6 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 24, 2025. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. November 4, 2025. By Ben Beto.